949 Panigale.
Keep the mode in low, power mode in low, and then
Power mode is in low.
low only, right? This is in sport.
It's in sports, fine.
Phone you can keep it in under race.
What's the difference?
Race you will be getting, I mean, there will be no traction. Traction will
Oh, that I don't want. Power will be same, na? Sport and race.
3 BH5.
That is fine, bro. See, you know how to use auto blipper.
That's
For quick shifter, you have to keep the throttle open. For downshifting, leave the throttle. Close throttle and then downshift. That's all. Deviants, welcome back. Today I am taking the 959 Panigale on a highway. So last time I rode the 899 Panigale, which belongs to Abhiram TK. So this belongs to Bobby Bravo. That's the guy riding my 10RR over there. Slick. Damn bro, this bike is too sleek and it's making me fall towards the handlebars. So this bike only has damn, no, that's 1000. So this bike has a quick shifter, no auto blipper. It's in stock exhaust, doesn't make much noise. So last time I could not ride the 899 Panigale on a highway, so I told you that we will be riding the Panigale on a highway. So this is the day. We have all the space available, but I'm not gonna push it too hard. Nice. So I need to get familiar with the dynamics of this bike, so I don't want to push it too hard. It's risky. It's not a safe thing to do on a new bike. I mean a bike which is new to me. Tiger, baby. Lot of fun, man, this bike. I love that intake sound, man. Loving this bike, man. It roars for sure. After 7,000 RPM, it really comes to life. It's an awesome bike. Especially on the tracks, I'm sure you will enjoy this bike to the core because this is proper track oriented machine. Less of a street bike. Thoroughly enjoyed the Ducati today. Bobby, thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity to ride your beautiful red Italian beauty. It is seriously a beauty. I want to try a Ducati once, guys. Tell me which bike should I try. I know most of y'all will tell Ducati V4. But I don't have that kind of money, bro. So what do you think about the 959 Panigale, guys? It's an amazing machine, no doubt about it. But I want to try the new V2. They say it's more comfortable, more user friendly, and it has better tech also. So let's see. I don't know anybody who owns a V2. I would like to try that if given a chance. Let's see, maybe someday. So that's it for today, folks. I'll see you soon. Peace.
Less weight, bro.
Huh?
Very less weight.
This will turn easily because Marchesini wheels are there, na? So standard 10R has that 3-spoke alloys. This has Marchesini wheels.
Okay.
So bike will turn easily.
That is why I don't feel any weight while.
No weight at all. It's smooth, na?
Very smooth. But do you feel anything a bit less in brakes?
No. The bite compared to that is less in this.
That is little bit.
The Kawasaki brakes are like that only. I'll have to put EBC brake pads. Then it will be proper.
Very smooth. How is that?
Awesome bike. But the tires, no. The center has become flat. So if you want to corner, after certain angle, it feels like it will fall.
Slipping.
It doesn't slip. Look at the profile here. So the moment you come to this section, it will feel like it will fall. Because the center is flat. It's not round anymore. You've been riding it in straight lines. It's the same problem on my this thing also, bro. You have to put street tires for this. That's the best thing.